Hey everybody, it's Molly here. Welcome to Holtop Virtual Showroom. Let's imagine there is a piece of equipment that can reduce more than 90% of indoor air pollutant with 30 minutes. Isn't it so cool? In this video, you will get to know this magical equipment under 3 minutes. The Holtop Residential Ductless ERV not only simply uses HEPA purification, but integrates fresh air ventilation to bring you a forest-like breathing experience. In addition, it adopts a closed-flow heat exchanger with 82% high efficiency and brushless DC motors to lower your electricity. The Ductless installation design, air quality index monitoring, the CO2 or PM2.5 sensors bring more highlights to the product itself. And the most fascinating thing is, our residential type ERV here all meet Wi-Fi function. You can easily control this unit on app anytime, anywhere. We have two models of residential ductless ERV here. For the wall-mounted type with airflow 150 cubic meters per hour, and for the floor-standing type here, you will get 300 cubic meters per hour and 600 cubic meters per hour as an option. So there you go. That was our wall-mounted ERV residential ductless ERV roundup. If you would like some more information, head on over to www.holtop.com. And if you would like to see more in-depth reviews, and make sure to check out our main channel. And I will catch you guys later. You guys take care. Bye.